Hello friends, my name is Santosh Khaire. I am from Bangalore. Today I would like to share with you all my two big achievements of my life. The first achievement is overcoming the fear of stammering problem which I had earlier. And the second achievement is writing and publishing a book on Amazon in just 7 days. Just 7 days. So, coming to my first achievement, how I overcame my stammering problem. I had this stammering problem since my childhood, and I tried lot of techniques and speech therapists, but I didn't succeed. And I got used to that my stammering problem. Finally, I came across some YouTube videos of Mr. Ankush Parekh, and after seeing his videos, I was very much impressed that he was also a stammerer and how he overcame by following his own techniques. And I thought, let's give a try and check. After following the suggestions and techniques of Mr. Ankush Parekh, within 15 days I found a tremendous improvement in my speaking. It was unbelievable. The fear of stammering is completely removed from my mind. This is all because of Mr. Ankush Parekh. Earlier I used to struggle a lot to speak a single sentence. If I get a block in some particular word, to pronounce that particular word I used to take around 1 minute. But now I have the confidence and courage. I can speak fluently with anybody and anywhere in any situation. Thanks a lot to Mr. Ankush Parekh for his support and guidance. This is one of the big achievements of my life. As you can see my speaking style in this video, I am so happy with my speaking style now. My second achievement is writing and publishing a book on Amazon in just 7 days. It is unbelievable. I used to have a dream in my childhood that I wanted to write a book and publish it. But because of my stammering problem, what all knowledge I had, I wanted to put all my thoughts and knowledge in the book. I wanted to share with all. But I was not knowing how to do that. And I didn't have that courage to publish it publicly. But recently, when we had a discussion with Mr. Ankush Parekh, he said that we all can become an author, a published author, in just 7 days. And first we thought it is an unbelievable, but he is just joking. And he was very serious about that. Then I thought, let's give a try. I had a dream of writing a book. Let's give a try and do it. But surprisingly, we had completed this book in just 7 days and got it published on Amazon Kindle. My book name is Life Changing Moments, and currently it is available on Amazon. With the help of Mr. Ankush Parekh's guidance and support, I have achieved this. These are the two main achievements of my life. Thanks a lot to Mr. Ankush Parekh for his great support and guidance. He is really a good mentor. And he has motivated not only me, there are many more other people who have been motivated by his training and coaching. and he is changing many more lives. There is a huge transformation in many people. Thanks a lot to Mr. Ankush for his support. Thank you, sir.